Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into a problem that may come up when working with Excel arrays. The problem we're tackling involves tiling a two-dimensional Excel array based on another array, without using VBA. It's a bit of a head-scratcher, but don't worry, we're here to break it down for you. Let's jump into the solution for this tricky problem. The provided formula is quite a piece of work and aims to efficiently tile the array B according to the Boolean values in array A. The formula makes use of various functions like let, reduce, sequence, lambda, and more to achieve the desired result. It may look complex at first glance, but each part plays a crucial role in generating the tiled array as required. Continuing with the solution, we have another formula that accomplishes the same tiling task, but in a slightly different way. This formula leverages the MAKEARRAY function along with the provided arrays A and B to efficiently tile array B based on the Boolean values in array A. The MAKEARRAY function with the specified lambda function handles the tiling logic, ensuring each element is correctly placed in the final tiled array. To wrap it all up, we've explored two intricate formulas that elegantly solve the tiling problem in Excel arrays. By understanding and implementing these formulas, you can efficiently tile arrays based on Boolean values without the need for VBA. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting Excel challenge. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other Excel problems you'd like us to tackle in the future. Happy Excel ing, and see you in the next one.